All right, good day. It's Friday. Sun and Moon Day again. Let's see here. Everything's flipped over on me here. What do we got here? We've got a Burning Shadows and Hello and Meowth promo and a Sun and Moon pack with Primarina on it. So, let's get rolling here. Yeah, we'll start with the Sun and Moon. It's right on top here for me. Alright. Okay. There's your Sun and Moon code. As always, comment below. Let me know if you pull anything from the codes. Alright. We've got Sandile, Alolan Rattata, like we don't see enough of those in Pokemon Go. Snubbull, Makuhita, Cutiefly, Psychic Energy, Boldore, Granbull, Pokemon Catcher, Great Ball is our reverse holo, and we got the Primarina out of the Primarina pack. Non-holo though. Still a cool looking card. Alright, next we got the Hello and Meowth. So, there is your code to get the Hello and Meowth. Alright. Next, we got a Burning Shadows. Mars Shadow on the cover. Alright. There is your Burning Shadows code. Let me know if you get a Rainbow Rare Charizard. Or Rainbow Rare, anything. Alright. You got Alolan Rattata, Magikarp, Pansear, Cutiefly, Panpour, Water Energy, Noctowl, Electabuzz, Mount Lanakila. Our reverse holo is a Palossand, and that's a rare, so we got a reverse holo rare. And we got an Electivire non-holo. So, I guess our best pull today is the Palossand. But there's these two. So, that's what we got today. I'll see you tomorrow.